Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क वाटसन में. हम लोग का जीप अभी आ रहा है and right away over there we have the Kaziranga. So after Tawan, here we are for our Kaziranga Jeep Safari.
एक कैमरा लेके जाने दो यार. हाँ भाई.
Let's go. All right, we're ready to roll for Kaziranga. Me and Watsi. All right.
At least this video we should have got here.
Yeah.
Going up and down, no?
It's all Kaziranga. Watsi.
हाँ.
Kaziranga National Park.
The Kaziranga.
Check post. हाँ करेगा ना चेकिंग. No. No. Thank you.
Can.
All right, let's see. Here we go into the wild.
A World Heritage Site.
I do. Some deer, na? Watson, check out in my display. Yeah. Are you? Yeah, right. There you go. Watson. Look at this. Lots of fishes. Wow, look at that. খাবলে ভাল নাই এইবিলাক. Wow. Wait, Watson, don't do that.
लेकर आंड ऊपर.
हाँ.
Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel alone. Scream so loud, we are living in this cruel world. Broken but strong, gotta move on. You are not a bakery of life. Equip my soul, find the real goal.
Wow.
I'll fulfill what I started.
Hi, buddy. Alright, guys, as you
Why
can see
like
this. I don't know. Only key cause will do. Urium. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is the marks of the claws of tiger claws. Urium tree. They do it only on this particular kind of plant. Tree. এইবিলাক মাইগ্ৰেটৰী বাৰ্ড নেকি
হয়
বাহিৰত গিজ নাইচ
সাইবেরিয়া
চাইবেৰিয়াৰ পৰা ফ্লাই কৰে ন সিহঁতে আই থিংক ইহঁতে বহুত ওপৰলৈ ফ্লাই কৰিব পাৰে চাগে
হিমালয়ৰ ওপৰত
হিমালয়ৰ ওপৰতে যোৱাটো ন
অ
অঁ এইটো ভালচাৰ নেকি এটা চাইডত কলাকে বহি আছে
দেহাটো গোল্ডেন তাৰ মাথাটো হোৱাইট what is the difference in that
These geese can fly. Wow. I saw a video. Eta video dekhi. Yeah, he'll go up slowly.
Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel alone. Don't scream
1,
so
2, 3, 4.
loud.
Full family.
We are living in
আৰু দুটা এজন উঠি আছে
broken but strong. Gotta move on.
I'm trying to.
You're not a beggar.
One more getting up.
Equip
Wow.
my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started.
কেতিয়াবা এই ডাঙৰটোও ওলায়
ৰাজহাঁহ নিচিনাই So friends, as you can see, these buildings, these huts are anti-poaching camps to stop poachers. The forest guards, they live in this kind of camps inside the forest.
ওপৰত উঠিব পাৰেতো
Kole?
টাৱাৰ
Oh boy, I press some dia.
তলৰ পৰাই ওপৰত
Pakada, pakada. Big fish. What a shot. Wow, you see the fish, Watsi? He was waiting for it. There we go.
জবৰদস্ত দিখতা হা
एक ग्रे हेडेड फिशिंग মাথাটো গ্ৰে না
Bite. এইটো ও ধুনীয়া মাছ দেখোন এইটো Yeah, it's a big fish. পেলাই দিলে নেকি নাই আছেতো
বিগ নো
Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost
अभी काजीरंगा के अंदर आप उसके बाद लगे तो वो के ऊपर मतलब
ষ্টক হয় এইটো এইটো নেক্সট হয় এটা বাহ শুই আছিলে চাগে হাঁহকেইটা বৰ কিউট দেই how flat he's sleeping there. Sun low as it. Drinking water.
Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world, broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life. Equip my
Wow, the
soul,
rhino is
find the real
taking a nice dip.
I'll fulfill what I started.
Okay, now we are entering Bura Pahar range. Trying to catch the fish. নাপালে ন দূৰ হৈ যায় ন তাৰ গছৰ পৰা Look at that. Wish we had a good SLR, DSLR, yeah? Good lens.
कैसा डरा था देखो बर्ड को आवाज करके
Look at his face, nose, you know?
मतलब अपने को भी डराने आएगा साउंड
Friends, we've been wandering here and there from central region, central area, Kohra, and now looking for a big cat if we could see at the Pura Pahar. अभी तक तो दिखा नहीं है, calling इधर उधर हो रहा है, देखते हैं कहीं आगे मिलता है क्या. So let's see if we get lucky today.
If you get off the car and in here, then he will charge you.
Yeah, let's try.
Okay.
It's not a good idea.
Let's try, no?
He's going away.
Won't leave me, right?
Wow, look at the
the sky. Last.
Hey guys, so that is the end of our video and the journey that we had from Tawang to Kaziranga. We started all the way from Assam, Tangla, and my friend Watson came all the way from Mumbai to join me for this ride. Now we are enjoying a little feast in Kaziranga with my friend Nobo and his colleague from Diflu River Lodge, and we'll enjoy this night and definitely we'll take away some amazing memories for life. And guys, thank you for watching the video till then. Please like, subscribe and comment, and stay happy always.